Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front stabilizer bar, power brakes, rear stabilizer bar, braking assist, cruise control, multifunction display. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.